Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone display and brightness setting, and today friends I will show you guys, I am going tell you guys how to turn off eye care setting in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to off guys your Infinix phone eye care setting, so how can you off it? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys in this video. Open your phone setting guys. So first of all we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see the stove setting in your Infinix phone device. So friends, you will have to click on display and brightness guys, tap on display and brightness, and friends click on third option eye care setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see guys your eye care is on, so friends you can off from here. After all guys, you can see guys your skin color will default, and when we cannot use guys this brightness setting guys. So like that guys, and friends you can see guys your eye care schedule time. Friends, you want to schedule your eye care settings, so friends you can schedule from here. So I hope friends have understood how to off eye care in Infinix phone. So bye guys.